Have you seen those ads claiming a simple cloth can erase car scratches in seconds and make your vehicle look brand new? Because that's exactly what FixaPro Scratch Remover promises, calling itself a magic nano cloth that delivers professional repair results with just a wipe. And honestly, that claim alone should make anyone pause. After looking closely at how this product actually works and observing the results, the truth is far less dramatic than the marketing suggests. FixaPro does not repair scratches. It does not restore damaged paint. It does not magically fix clear coat damage. At best, it behaves like a very basic polish or temporary filler that can slightly reduce the visibility of extremely light surface marks under certain lighting conditions. Think of it like shoe polish on a scuffed shoe. It may look better for a short time, but the damage underneath is still there. And once the polish wears off or the car is washed, the marks often reappear. This is why the advertising raises multiple red flags, including bold claims of 100% scratch removal, fake expert endorsements, heavily edited before and after images, and the fact that the exact same cloth is sold online under many different names with no real manufacturer transparency. The results simply do not match the promise of instant professional repair, especially for deeper scratches that cut through the clear coat or paint layer, which only proper buffing, repainting, or professional detailing can fix. At the same time, calling it a complete scam may also be misleading, because as a mild polishing cloth, it can slightly improve the appearance of very minor marks temporarily. But that is a far cry from what the ads imply. So if you are expecting a miracle solution, this product will likely disappoint, and if you understand its limitations, you will see it for what it really is: a basic cosmetic cover-up, not a true scratch remover.